I'm about to go on an adventure to the Smoky Mountains. Let's hit the road. Never know when you're gonna need to, Bears are active in the area. Do not approach them. Well, that sounds exciting. Let's go see if we can find some bears. Did I kill this bear? No. These signs are scary. I've never seen a bear before and I don't want to today. This trail is not ADA accessible. Something disabled something? Maybe? Not really sure how to film this. I don't know if you want like my face and stuff I'm passing or stuff in front of me, but I'll adjust it. Set you down real quick there. Grab a drink of water. It is really hot. I feel like I'm gonna start sweating soon. Alright, that feels really good. The view here is just really amazing. It's breathtaking. I'm definitely going to come back and do more out here. I want to bring Noah and Chase. I think they'd really enjoy it, maybe this weekend. I really hope the microphone's picking me up too, because I don't know how loud I'm being. I'm like tired, but I'm not at the same time. It's very strange. All right, let's go. On the road again. Smells really gross on this road again. Like a dead animal. thing got even started was because Noah and I were making fun of Chase, because Chase seems like he might make a vlog, and he makes this joke about having fan mail. So we went ahead and started actually doing it. And it's kind of fun, honestly. So we're getting closer to the waterfall, which is what we're really here for. I've been to Ruby Falls in Chattanooga, and oh gosh, Ivy would kill me if I didn't remember the name of this one. But I went with her to some other waterfall place. It was really pretty. Fall Creek Falls. Alright, I think about halfway there. I'm gonna catch up with you guys once we're closer. Alright. So we're here at the waterfall. Just working my way down this. This is it. It's really pretty. Yikes. These rocks are slippery. Oh my gosh. Oh, dang. It is so slippery. I feel like I'm gonna die. Yikes. Okay, let's get this. Okay. Superb balance right here. Actually, my balance is really bad. That's why this is so scary. And it's wet wood, so it's slippery. That is amazing. Can I do this? This last step, I'm not even gonna try it. Yikes. This is cute. A little sitting pond, probably full of bacteria. Here it is. Look at this. This is what it's all about right here. This is why I drove an hour and a half out of my way on a day that I still have school at 6 o'clock tonight. And I hiked for about 45 minutes to get up here. So did all these other people. So it's not like it's that hard of a hike. But it is totally worth it. Super pretty. I would definitely do this again. Oh yeah, I'm gonna come back. I want to find some place that has deeper water. Just a little bit deeper water, that way I can dive into it. Here, I'd say at its deepest point it's maybe like 2.5 or 3 feet deep. which definitely will not work unless I have a death wish, which I don't. So, yeah. Ah! Yikes. This is what I'm walking on. Yeah. So I might explore a little bit on my own and have some fun. And I'm just gonna set you guys down here. Here you go. Enjoy this, or I'll cut it out. It is slippery.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
Well, the problem is my wife's getting further away than I am.
I like your right arm tattoo, man.
Thanks. Yeah, it's an Asian dragon and a European dragon.
Oh, here. Can I get that?
Yeah.
European dragon.
And an Asian dragon.
That is awesome. What's your name?
I'm John.
I'm Tyler. It is nice to meet you, man.
Yep. There's a cave right there.
Oh, really?
Right there.
Oh, I see it. Awesome. Thank you.
Yep.
Have a good day. Ah. Oh, that guy was awesome. Cave it is. Oh, let's go to this cave. We probably need shoes from this point on. Because that is broken glass right in front of me. So definitely gonna grab some shoes out. I am right next to a beehive. That is slightly scary. I don't like these. And I have nothing against them, I guess. But I wouldn't say I have the best track record with them. Just getting stung is not fun. So, let's see. A great day of adventuring, exploring waterfalls here in the Smoky Mountains, which are still stunning. Had a not so great end at the waterfall. As you can probably tell from the video, I set the camera down trying to go to a cave. There was a couple bees, but I don't mind bees, no big deal. One stung me in my knee, right there. It's red and swollen. Super painful. They weren't actually bees, I think they were yellow jackets, because I got stung multiple times there, and it hurts a lot more than a bee sting, plus there's no stinger. So my camera, the GoPro that I used to record, falls directly into the beehive on the ground. That sucked. Hello.
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 Hi.
Okay, so yeah, that was really bad. It hurts so much. I tried to get it back, couldn't. Got stung once more. But I eventually did get it back. Hello.
Hello.
All right. Yeah. So I have classes at 6:30. I think it's around 4 something. I'm an hour away. I still have to hike down this trail with a couple yellow jacket stings. So all in all, a great day, I guess. You know, it's not going to kill me. I'll be okay. I'm definitely going to come back. Just going to avoid the bees this time. Yeah, I'm going to stop recording so I can rush down this mountain. All right, see you guys in the car. Okay, back in the car. My stings are hurting quite a bit now, so that's really sucky. I'm also starving. Thankfully, I have this Velveeta snack bar thing, so those will be okay for the ride back, about an hour and a half. A little bit of water left. I don't know. It was a great hike. I really enjoyed it. I hate getting stung, and they hurt really bad. I'm not exactly sure what the cure is for that, but I'm gonna figure it out. All right, well, I'm not really gonna record my way back. I'm just gonna head back home.